Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Sichinga Online Math. In this video I'm going to work out section A from a 2020 grade 9 math paper 1. So this is an external paper, and in this section there are 10 questions, each question carrying 1 mark. So let's start with question 1, which reads, find the value of 3 times -7. So working out this is just multiplication of integers with the different signs. So we've got +3 multiplying with -7. So what do we get for this? So we start with the signs given. Positive times a negative, that's negative, and then 3 times 7, that is 21. So we get -21 on this part. So our answer on this one is A. Going to question 2, solve the inequation 2x plus 7 greater or equal to -1. So for this one, what we're just going to do is solve it the same way we solve equations. So this is an inequation in one variable, so the only variable there is x. So what we're just going to do is move 7 to the right side. So for that we will show 2x greater or equal to -1. Then if 7 moves, it becomes a negative on this side. So this means that on the left side we have 2x greater or equal to -1 minus 7. This is addition in negative, so we keep the negative sign and add the numbers. So this gives -8. Then to find x, we divide by 2 both sides. Division by 2 on the left side, we get 1 times x. This gives x is greater or equal to on the right side, 2 into 2 1, and 2 into -8. This gives a -4. So x is greater or equal to -4. So this option is B. Then question 3 reads, given that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to -2, find the value of a open bracket 1 minus b close bracket. So this is just substitution on algebra, and a represents 3, b represents -2. So we're going to substitute. So we're going to start with 3, then I'm going to use square brackets 1 minus, on b there's -2, so we write -2 and close square brackets. So what we have to work out first is the multiplication that is in brackets here. So this is 3, then 1, negative times negative, this is positive, and then what we're going to do is this is going to equal to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 in brackets, this just gives 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 9, so which is D. Then 4, which of the following is an irrational number? So we've been given 5.24, 3.142, and square root of 3 and square root of 9. So the first option here, A, 5.24, this is a rational number because it has got finite digits, 5.24. Even B, 3.142, has also finite digits, and these two, on A and B, they can be expressed as a fraction, A over B. Then C is our answer. This here is an irrational number, and this is because square root of 3 gives never-ending digits. For D gives 3, square root of 9 is 3, and 3 is a finite number. So this means that our answer on question 4 is C, square root of 3. Then Question 5, evaluate 10 to the power 0 minus 2 to the power 3. 10 to the power 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. And here we're subtracting 2 to the power 3. So this means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 multiplying 3 times. And what this gives is 2 times 2 times 2. This gives 8. So 1 here is a positive. So we're subtracting positive 1 minus 8 there. So this gives a negative. So we're keeping the sign of the larger number and subtracting. So negative 7 is the answer. So this gives A. Okay, going to question 6. Question 6 is on sets. So we've been given a Venn diagram below that illustrates set A and set B. And in set A, if you've noticed, there's 1, 2, 3, and in set B, there's 3, 4. Outside the two sets, there's 5, 7, and 10. So the question is list the set A complement. So the set A complement, complement means elements that do not belong to. So here, we're looking for elements that do not belong to set A. And those are 4, 5, 7, and 10. These elements are outside set A. So that's what we're looking for. And the answer is D. So D as 4, 5, 7, and 10. Moving on, question 7. Write 70.1956 correct to 2 decimal places. So this number has 4 decimal places. If you count from where the decimal is going to the right, there are 4 decimal places, or from the right going to the left, there are 4 decimal places. So meaning that we just need 2 decimal places, and that means we are remaining with the 2 digits here, 1 and 9. But then dropping off 5 and 6, these two, the next number to 9 is 5. So 5 is going to add a 1 to 9. So this is going to be 70.19. So plus 1. So there's a plus 1 to 9. So now 9, when we add the plus 1, this will become 10. And we cannot write 10 in this case. So we pass over the 1 to this 1 which is here. So this is going to be 70.2, and in place of 9 we put a 0. So 70.20 is the answer. So A. Question 8. Find the value of y in the diagram below. Finding the value of y here, we just have to look at the angles given. So this is a straight line, and the angles on a straight line add up to 180. So this means 30 degrees given plus the 43 degrees plus y. All this gives 180 degrees. So finding y, this is y plus the addition of 30 plus 43 gives 73 degrees. So this is equal to 180 degrees. So we just have to subtract here to get y. We're going to say 180 degrees minus 73, and what this gives is 107 degrees. So 107 degrees is our answer, and this is C. Going to question 9. So question 9 reads, the following are scores for 7 learners in a mathematics test: 20, 60, 50, 20, 60, 50, 15. What is the median mark? So to get the median mark, we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order or descending order. So In this video we're going to arrange in ascending order, meaning starting with the smallest then ending with the largest. So the smallest is 15, then followed by 20, another 20, and then 50, another 50, then there's 60 and another 60. So these are the numbers we have, and then we just have to cross out the numbers on the sides. So 15 we'll cross out with 60, then 20 with 60, 20 with 50. So our middle number is 50. So the median mark is 50. So you can also arrange the numbers in descending order, meaning starting with the highest and ending with the lowest, and it will still give you 50. So B. Then moving on to question 10. Question 10 reads, which of the following is a net of a square-based pyramid? So the first option, A, this here is a net for an open cube, because there are 5 square boxes here. So these square faces will only make up a cube that is open. Then B, this here is our answer, B. What we have here are 4 triangular faces and 1 box in the middle here. So this square box plus these 4 triangular faces will make up a square-based pyramid. Then on C, this is a net for an open triangular prism. So there's 1 triangular face and 3 square faces. So this gives it a triangular prism. Then on D has got 4 triangular faces. So this one is a net for a triangular based pyramid. So the answer on question 10 is B. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll finish up solution to this paper. In my next video I'll solve question 11 up to question 30. So check out the solutions for that part. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.